Okay, well, I expected this. Oh!
Circulation may move, and it could very well.
Tornado strikes so far.
I expect.
Well, they're near here. Not near here right now.
Yeah. God, it's cold outside. The wind is actually better than I expected. It was actually a lot worse earlier on the day before the tornado warning came. I almost caught the activation, but I stopped recording because I didn't hear the silence. And the second I stopped recording, what happened? They activated. Oh. I always jinx myself with this kind of stuff.
About an hour.
I swear I just heard some sirens go off. The tornado was right outside our door. It's near, but
There's possible.
this bigger than this to be a YouTube show, but this is the 5th time the sirens have activated. Jesus Christ, it's shaking the house. This is the closest. Good thing is the tornado is no longer near us. Still, the sirens activated. That's weird. Should be toning off soon. Guess not, because I still hear them going off. Guess every time one turns off, another turns back. What is going on? It's like every time a siren turns off, another one activates. This is gonna be on for a while. That guy. Can't tell which direction the main one I'm hearing is coming from. It sounds like it's coming from that direction, but I know it's coming from like that way because that's where the closest tornado siren is. And there's two right over there. I don't think there's any that way. How is this gonna turn off? I might just have to stop recording. Yeah. This does not seem to be finally. I guess there is one over there. Wow. Hey, that's the one that never turned off last time. We've seen this before. I still hear a couple turning off. Yeah. Oh, I still hear some turning off. Lightning is going crazy behind me. Can't see anything because of the door though. I'm on a foot lawn right now. It is so dark right now. Finally. Still hear one going off. It's like almost 5 minutes. Finally it's done. 6th time today. Wow. This is definitely what the damage was.
Yeah.
I don't think this is wind. I don't think this is wind.
Well, I mean, if it was something that definitely makes itself known. I don't know if it was a tornado.
I mean, an unofficial tornado that didn't touch the ground. I mean, I don't know if it was a tornado. I'm hoping it was a tornado. But get close to this. Wow. This definitely just... What? Oh my god. Something there did definitely come through. This is definitely like tornado damages. I mean, not necessarily tornado damages, but this is surely something. That's a massive tree. This is not caused by wind. This is a massive tree. That's like a full-on tree. Full-on tree. This is like... Hey guys, in my last tornado siren video that I made. But the tornado wasn't... This is way better than that tornado siren video I made where the tornado wasn't even near me. I think it was this time. I mean, it's an unconfirmed tornado. There's something. Yeah. But yeah, that's like a full-on tree. It's two full. That's multiple. I'm coming. It's torn off the ground. But I want to pull off the wood. This is insane. Good God. Something. This is like a full-on tree. This is definitely new. Oh my god. Oh my god. This shorty is something. Holy. That's a really big tree right there. Oh my god. This is totally something. There's more over there. Oh my god. This. What? Wow. I'm gonna get close to this one before I get to before I assess that one over there. I'm gonna assess this one first.
Okay, here, this way.
This is the one that fell off. The root's exposed. I didn't even fit this in one shot. Oh my god.
That's fresh.
Definitely. Oh my god. Oh wow, wow. 1 second. I want to get you in the shot.
That's okay, I just have my hand next to it so you see how big that is. That snap.
Okay. Wow. That's insane. This truly is something. I'm going to take a look at this tree right here. Oh, look. That looks to be like what's covering the tracks up there.
Yeah.
That's covering the tracks all right. Oh my god, wow. Look at that. That's massive. Oh. That's just like a put up some grass with it. This is like something else. This is like, it's covered with the tracks. Kinda. Don't know. Like it. This is surely something I never thought I'd actually see. I mean, this is like an actual big tree. This is like, that had to be like a tornado or something that went through here. To cause this. This is massive. Wow. It definitely, it may not have touched down, but it definitely. Yeah, the Westport one does look kind of. That one and that one definitely looks real too. Okay, so that's just not like a giant cloud. That's like an actual like good like sized EF1 or something. But something definitely did come down here. So I was gonna, cause yeah, I'm gonna assess that in a second. Just wanted to assess the train track stuff because I do like trains. Finally. Oh God! I'm gonna go check the roof. like 5 minutes down the trail too. Like this is only like 2 minutes down the trail. I just scratched my back too. Trying to climb one of those roots. Not the best idea I could have ever done, but fine. Still don't have eyes on the back of my back, so that's that. Wow. It's a tiny tree. Yes, okay. It's a tiny tree. What? This is one section. This is... Well, I'm just gonna assess this first. I'm gonna like, get a good view of. I know I'm walking on it. That's where I'm going. I'm going to like where it's all started. Grass is like all covered up and everything. This is weird. This is definitely This is the biggest tree that's been pulled up so far. Look, they go where this came from. So massive. That's where I'm going. I'm going to the trunk. I'm looking at all the trees that fell down. There's multiple that did fall down, so I'm looking at everything. And also, this is the only way I can get to that trunk too. Pretty sure. And then I'm getting my back hurt again. You cannot see it very well, but there was an entire floor. Oh, yep, there it is. Found it. Okay, so there. That's a bit more obvious than this. There's also stuff down here. Wow, this might be. If this like doesn't get many, if nobody sees this video, I will be surprised. This is like anyone near the trail was still like very noticeable. This is definitely, like I said, I was wasting time because I didn't see any damage until. Sorry, it's like a bunch of trees torn down. Definitely a tornado this here. I did the little videos of the tornado that hit right by me, but the red short one is the most vivid. Like all the photos. I'm walking to this wheelchair. Right? I'm walking to like the start, the trunk of this.
Okay, well, remember you have shorts on and dirty shoes, tennis shoes, so...
Yeah. I don't know. Probably should have worn boots for this, but totally fine. Heavy, cold and hot. Okay, here we go. I can't get really close to this, but
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 roots pulled right out.
yeah, like this is like something. I have the sense of that. That would definitely be my reaction to this. Oh my god. You see why I was coming over here? Because I saw this. You want to see? You see why I wanted to come here now? I saw this and I wanted to come check it out because this is like massive. I have no words. That is insane. Can't see it really well on camera, but it was nuts. Wow. Wow. I have no words. This is like something else. Look at that. Awesome. I'm not gonna go back. I'm not gonna go too far down, but because like that's massive right there. I can't really get over this tree right here, but look at that. That's just like see if I can find another way to get a closer look at that.
At what?
Giant pulled up tree.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. At this point, you're not going to get too many trees back side by side.
Oh,
yeah. You're not going to get too close to those trees.
yeah, but still.
That one's not that impressive. This one over here. Over here, this big one. That's impressive. Look at that. Look how big that hole is. Check out. That's probably the biggest one.
That one right there?
No, this one. That one's tiny. That one.
Oh my god! I didn't even see that. I'm gonna get close. Let's get closer to this guy. Oh yeah, right here I should be able to get a good view of it right here for these trees. What? Termite? Where?
That wood's all matted and holy.
Alright.
Still healthy on the outside, obviously. Oh my god. See, that's beautiful.
That's a beautiful leaf.
That might have been lighting because it was black scarred.
Oh, that's good.
Maybe, I don't know.
And then you can see more of it here.
Okay, let's head back out.
I'm gonna play this view of that. That's impressive. But yeah, was a good idea. Basically, good been looking at that giant root right out over there for like 2 minutes, you know. I want to go look at that. Yeah, and I have barely even looked at that big one. Wow.
I don't see the other half of the tree, so it's like snap. See? Right there. Straight ahead. It's a trunk of it. Wood.
Oh, yep.
We're not going to probably get close to that one.
I see it though.
Yep.
It's what I'm zoomed into, what you're talking about right there.
That's crazy.
This is crazy.
You ready to walk back?
Yep, I think we've seen
Good footage.